So let me show you a cool thing that you can start to do with your agent. And you could obviously do this with any chatbot, but what's nice about having your own agent is obviously you start to have your own history and you start to have these different things that go on. And on top of all of this is that I have, primed it and trained it on near. So it knows near, has near skills, it understands kind of what to do. And so one thing I can easily do is I can actually just give it a transaction and then ask it to explain it to me. So maybe I don't understand what happened. Maybe it was, even if it didn't fail, maybe I was just still wondering, like, what does this transaction mean? So let's try that. So here I am. I'm in my agent and I'm going to just paste in a transaction ID and say, can you tell me what happened on this near transaction? It's gonna go think, probably I'll look it up. And again, when you have something like OpenClaw or any other chatbot, you usually have web tools so you can go out, you can search. I'm going to assume it's going to use something like NearBlocks and go pull that information and bring it in. And let's see if it just does it on its own. So there it goes. So here's what happened. Uh, Basically, what I was saying that this was an NFT that was unstaked using near intents. Here are the contracts that are involved, and then it gives me a nice summary at the end, just saying this NFT was removed from staking. It was an intent-based transaction. It was returned to the user's wallet. Cool. So now instead of having something that was actually kind of maybe confusing and just seeing like the output from the transaction, nice natural language, and I can see it all right there.